Hey guys, it's Anne. Happy Sunday. I hope each and every one of you is having a beautiful day. Now, today I am back and I am going to be doing some more cleaning here in my kitchen. So, I'm starting off with my fridge. As you can see, I have the camera pointing in my fridge. It needs to be cleaned. It's a little smelly at the moment. I'm not ashamed to say that because sometimes you can't always clean and have things organized in your home. It's real life and, you know, ish happens. So I'm going to take everything out of the fridge. I'm going to disinfect and clean all of the shelves here on the door. And I just use like soapy water, and then I go in with a little bit of all purpose, just to give a nice, really fresh smell. And once everything is packed in the fridge, I will put a box each on the shelves, a box each of baking soda here on my shelf. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm actually planning on ordering groceries in the next couple of days. So before I do that and restock, I want to make sure that my fridge is nice and clean. So I'll also be cleaning and organizing in my freezer as well. Things are a little bit all over the place in there.
So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Big on the set, what they said part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. Look, hey, I've been trail, you can tell by how I feel when you with me. Look. Slide for a real one. Slide for me, slide for me. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for me, slide for me? Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for a real one? Next can't tell me nothing. I'm flexing, stunting. Eating all my veggies in my pocket, half an onion. And that pack smell like a funyun. Trump be beating, shit be humming. You can hear me around the corner before you ever see me coming. And they know just how we coming. Pants drumming. She gon' bust it open way before I finish thumbing. I could put you on some paper, proper play and teach you something. Got my stones on Himalaya, know I'm out your sucker ducking. Ain't no need for that discussion, niggas bluffing with the game. About to build a couple million, came with nothing but my name. I'ma twist it, flip it, stick it like a bop it. Tell them stop it, all them haters out of pocket. Let me plug it like a socket, baby. Big on the set, what they said part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Big on the set, what they said part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Wave, tell me, can you slide for a real one? Slide for me, slide for me. Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for me, slide for me? Can you slide for a real one? Can you slide for baby, say I make her nervous. Maybe cause I'm real nigga on the surface. Maybe cause I'm 10 down where the turf is. Don't get lost in those facades on the guys. You know ain't nobody perfect. I just put the work in, I know what my worth is. I'm living lavish, I'm flossing, bossing a bagging up cash off the passion. Out here with my niggas, AV to the casket. We reckless, stay in your lane. I'm on gas till somebody cut the brakes. Cutting off these haters in the heads of the snakes. You're spinning the plan, bitch, you catching on late. And she just sent the emoji, said she wetter than a lake. So I better not flake, take a break, say word. Hit me when you through with that shit, then we can shift again. My schedule been clear. These niggas see me, they mad like I'm one of their peers. I put that on Sita, so I'm sure it's abundantly clear. I'm hella big on the set, what I said, shit. Eyes low off the legal in the red web. Put the leg room in the roof gone. Man, I came a long way from them deals off the Groupon, right? Big on the set, what they said, part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Big on the set, what they said part. So I skip straight ahead to the bread part. Top dog, I'm cool on the chick chat. Fuck with the kid, know I got to get paid. Keep it real with you, I've been in the field in position. Yeah, yeah. I've been trail, you can tell by how I feel when you with me. Yeah. Tell me, can you slide for me? Can you slide Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break
I don't know if you
me.
guys can see in the microwave. It really gives your the vinegar and water gives the microwave a really nice steaming, sort of like steaming your rugs or steaming your shower curtains, cleaning your own drapes. The lines that you put up at the window, or even steaming your face, just put it in nice deep towels and just make it nice and waterproof. And right now the microwave smells really good. So that is my tip, and this is what I do. If you guys are wondering where my microwave is from, if you're here in Toronto, Canada, I did purchase this microwave at Canadian Tire. It was a little under $200, around 189, 169 or something like that. But it's been years since I've actually had a microwave. I kind of stayed away from using microwaves because of the radiation, but because my son was in a car accident 2 years ago. He was like, "Mom, you need to get a microwave. I'm tired of waiting so long until my food be warmed up." Because I would warm the food up either in the oven or warm it up in something on the stove. So he was like, "Mom, please get a microwave." So I ended up getting a microwave last year from Canadian Tire, like I said. Yeah, that is the system that I use to make a microwave. And this is something, like I said, you can do every 2 weeks depending on what you do in the microwave. I don't have a cover, so I try to like little salad or things like that. Warm food up when I do put it in the microwave instead of all just splattering things like that. It's so amazing. I've been able to stay nice and new. Because in the past, I actually used to use regular cleaning products to clean my microwave, and it would just have the lingering odor of the Vim and things like that. And I think I was watching Farah from, you guys know who Farah is. She's big on Instagram, and I saw her and I think some other YouTubers using vinegar and water, and I was like, okay. It's a much more safer way to clean your microwave. So yeah, I hope I gave you guys some tips on microwave cleaning.
like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I
Well,
lose
guys,
my words.
my fridge is nice and clean, and if you're wondering what I clean my fridge with, I go in with like soapy water. I use hot water along with some dish soap. I add a bit of bleach, and I also add method all-purpose degreaser just to help to, you know, deodorize, get rid of all the odor, really give the fridge a nice deep cleaning, as well as get rid of any residue from fruits or veggies that may leave, like, you know, their residue of like water or whatever in your fridge, which overall gives your fridge a really stinky odor. I've added boxes of baking soda on each shelf. I ended up taking my son to the bank, so I just stopped at the Asian market and just picked up a few things. I still need to order groceries, but for the most part, this is what the fridge looks like. It's nice and clean. This, if you were wondering where this is from, it's from Amazon. I would highly recommend it if you want to store like juice boxes and things like that for your little ones if you have them. These ones I got from Dollarama, and you can't really put like heavy things in these, but you can do like fruits and vegetables, lemons and things like that, because they're more of a acrylic type of storage, and I really like them because they help to organize and store the things that you see there. So I have like tomatoes in the bottom one. They're really easy to break, so that's what I'm saying. I would recommend these ones from Amazon. But like I said, they're really good for lemons, and I have like my bell peppers, my onion heads, and then at the bottom there I have tomatoes. I have like corn and other things in here. Saltfish, red herring, bacon, a bit of fruits, wine, and some other household things that I use. And then my freezer is nice and clean and organized. So everything looks nice and clean. My fridge smells amazing, and yeah. And I've added this black table, which is actually for my balcony. But because of the winter weather and stuff like that, I didn't have anywhere to like really store it, so I just added it to the kitchen. I've added this tray that I DIY and added some broken glass to that I got from Michael's, and just some beautiful peonies from Amazon. This I got from Michael's. These florals are also from Amazon, and that is just to add a little bit of color and go with the pink tulips that you'll see in a second that I've added to my coffee, tea / hot chocolate area. And then I decided to put my paper towel here because the towel paper holder actually scratches my countertop. This picture actually used to be over in my dining room area, and I decided to bring it over here because I think it goes well, and I just wanted to change up my dining room area as well. So yeah. And then over here is nice and clean. It's still spring, but we are approaching like warm weather and bugs tend to come out. So I just wanted to like clean my walls and, you know, just disinfect the kitchen from all of the, you know, the odor from cooking and things like that. So everything here, as you saw me wiping it down and cleaning it. This is from HomeSense. This is from Amazon. This is from HomeSense. And this is the bottom half of a decor piece, which is a pineapple. And I've just used the bottom piece to add a bit of florals. Sink is nice and clean. And then over here in my coffee / tea hot chocolate area, I went in with a cute tray that used to be on my coffee table. I like moving things around because I do get bored, and I like to shop my home, move things around, just give it a new look with different decor. So I've added the tray, this cute swan. I actually saw one of my YouTube sisters glam style with Dalu. She has like amazing decor that she does on her channel. I think she has this in the gold, but I'm more of a silver girl. So, and this is really cute and really inexpensive. It was $19.99. It has like 6 cute little spoons that you can use to stir your hot beverages, like your milk or your creamer or sugar, or you know, whatever it is that you like putting in your hot beverages. And this cute little leaf, actually when I ordered this from Amazon, I actually thought it was bigger, but when it came it was this small, but that's okay. I still like it. It's really cute. So I've placed it there, and I've added these cute topiary ball that I got from Dollarama. These ceramic canisters I keep tea bags in. And then this is another half of one of my pineapples. I've added some greenery from Amazon. The pink and white tulips are for Amazon. And this apothecary jar I've had for a while. I think I got that at HomeSense. This mug stand I got from Amazon for $19.99. And you can, on Amazon, there's like so many different types that you can get on there. And this is just for decorative purposes. These cups, these mugs are actually a set that goes with my black plate setting. And the cute sign that says drink some coffee, put on some gangster rap, and handle it. Oh, it's so cute. That was $12.99 from Amazon. I actually ordered 2 of them, and I'm giving the other one to my daughter. So I just wanted to keep my coffee, tea, / hot chocolate area really simple. I don't have an island, so my countertop is where I prep for meals and breakfast and things like that. My kettle and my electric kettle and toaster are from Walmart. My microwave was about $1.59, and I picked it up at Canadian Tire here in Toronto, Canada. And I've added this cute decorative piece that you can use as a candle holder. You can put a topiary ball in there if you like. But I've just added this cute little candle, which I won't be burning because it's under my cabinets. And then I have some more apothecary jars over here that you can add like cookies or, you know, candy or whatever you want. So this is pretty much it, guys. It's nice and clean, but I will be back with one last video here in my kitchen, just showing you guys a little bit more cleaning and decluttering that I need to do under the sink here in the cabinet under the sink, as well as the cupboards. And then I'll give you guys like a full tour of my kitchen. The upper cabinets still need to be painted, as you'll see in one of the clips where you'll see the upper cabinets. They only have like one coat, and then the framing at the bottom of the bottom cabinets I still need to finish up. I've been really busy. I've been sick for a couple days, and my daughter was sick, and my grandson was here for about almost 3 weeks. And we're currently in the market of purchasing a home. So I've been house hunting with my agents, viewing homes in person, and just overall really tired and busy, and just needed a break from uploading. But I have a lot of content that I'll be bringing to you guys. But I hope I was able to give you guys some inspiration and some tips with, you know, cleaning your stove and cleaning your microwave, and just decluttering and cleaning any space in your place. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day wherever you're watching from. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a close collaboration coming up with Cheryl from I Style My Style and Antoinette from Decorating Anne's Place, my lovely YouTube sisters that I do a lot of collabs with. But the 3 of us together, we formed a little close collaboration with Black and White that we'll be sharing with you guys on May 23rd. So look out for that video. Make sure that you subscribe and you double tap your bell. That way you'll get alerts when that video drops, as well as all of the other great content that I have that I'll be bringing to you guys really soon. Thanks for hanging out with me. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you guys in another one really soon. Bye, guys.